Hello, Rachel and Doug Swardstrom here at our latest listing at 120 Bottlebrush in the heart of Quail Hill.
And this home is one of the most immaculate and chic homes in the entire community. It has 4 bedrooms, a downstairs primary, one that could be an office. It has Leicht Cabinetry, Miele, Gaggenau Appliances. It's on a premium corner lot with a gorgeous pool. It's perfect for entertaining.
And the community is just as amazing. 5 parks, 3 pools, 2 gyms, award-winning Irvine Unified School, close to the beach and close to shopping. Just perfect location.
We'd love to show you the community as well. Just give us a call or text us.
Enjoy the video.